Yamaha is one of those rare global brands that people love to describe as too versatile to be real. It is the kind of company that gets joked about online because its name appears in places that seem impossible to connect, from concert halls to motorcycles, from boat docks to digital music software. Yet that reputation is not an accident. It is the result of a long chain of skills, each one opening the door to the next. The story begins in 1887 in Hamamatsu, Japan. Torikusa Yamaha, then a medical equipment repairman, was asked to fix a broken organ at a local elementary school. He studied the instrument, understood its structure, and came to a bold conclusion: if he could repair one, he could build one. That idea changed everything. He did not begin with grand resources. He began with determination. One of the most famous stories from Yamaha's early days tells of a completed prototype organ carried by two men on a pole across mountains from Shizuoka to the Tokyo Music School, now Tokyo University of the Arts. It was a journey of distance, effort, and stubborn belief in craft. That same spirit shaped the company's future. Yamaha learned that mastering one field often reveals the next. Woodworking skills used for pianos and organs later helped the company produce wooden propellers during wartime. Making propeller testing equipment required advanced metalworking, and after the war those capabilities supported a new direction: motorcycles. The Y1 became a landmark in Japanese mobility, built from the logic of precision manufacturing rather than a random leap into a new industry. The chain continued. To make motorcycles lighter and stronger, Yamaha researched FRP, or fiber-reinforced plastic. That material then found use in archery bows, boats, and even pools. What looked like unrelated business lines were, in fact, connected by a single engineering habit: understand the material, perfect the process, and then ask what else becomes possible. Yamaha's reach became even more legendary through its work with other brands. The Toyota 2000 GT, often called Japan's first supercar, used an engine co-developed with Yamaha. Its beautiful wood interior was crafted by Yamaha piano artisans, bringing the discipline of musical craftsmanship into automotive design. Then came the Lexus LFA, a machine famous not only for speed but for sound. Yamaha's audio specialists treated the engine noise like an instrument, tuning it carefully until enthusiasts around the world began calling it Yamaha music. For a company born from organ repair, that was a remarkable return to its roots. Yamaha also helped shape the digital age of music. The DX7, released in 1983, became one of the most influential synthesizers ever made, defining the sound of an era. Later, Yamaha developed Vocaloid, the technology that made singing voice synthesis possible and helped inspire global phenomena such as Hatsune Miku. In doing so, Yamaha did not just build instruments. It built a platform for new kinds of creativity. From a broken organ in a schoolroom to motorbikes, engine acoustics, synthesizers, and virtual voices, Yamaha's story is a rare one. It is the story of a company that keeps changing form without losing its identity, proving that craftsmanship can travel farther than anyone expects.